What's up guys, We're here for Tech, and smartwatches as well as fitness trackers are becoming more and more popular to the masses. Not only that you can use them to track fitness, see time, and notification, but now with a string of newer technology, we can also see other vitals like ECG and other advanced features that we never thought we needed. We have teamed up with our friends at Huawei to explore their brand new smartwatches and recommend which one of these are for you. In this video, we are taking a closer look at the Huawei Watch Fit 2, GT Runner, and their top-of-the-line Huawei Watch GT 3 Pro. These smartwatches do not only tell time, and we are here to explore more of their new features. Let's start with the most affordable yet feature-packed smartwatch on Huawei's roster, the Huawei Watch Fit 2. It does pack the trendy and very fashionable design aesthetics of the Fit series. It offers a 1.74 Huawei AMOLED full-view display with 336 by 480 resolution that equates to 336 ppi. Yes, it is sharp. Even small text are very readable and not pixelated. The display is actually 18.6% larger than the first generation and has a screen-to-battery ratio of 72.2%. This allows you to view more information than ever before. The Huawei Watch Fit 2 comes in 3 different editions. The Active Edition, which comes in a silicone band that also comes in Sakura Pink, Isle Blue, and Midnight Black colorways. The Classic Edition, on the other hand, comes with a leather strap and is also available in moon color. Now when it comes to hardware, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 possesses the same and improved health and fitness sensor for SpO2 monitoring, heart rate, sleep, and stress tracking. In addition to that, the Fit 2 now comes equipped with 5 major satellite systems, namely GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS. Yes, that's a mouthful of tracking system. But what this basically means is that the accuracy of your motion trajectory has been improved, and most especially the accuracy of mileage and pace. The Huawei Watch Fit 2 also does adopt the latest Huawei TrueScreen 5.0 heart rate monitoring technology, which increases data processing by up to 4 times than previous iteration, while lowering down signal loss rate to enhance the accuracy of the monitoring. How cool! Of course, all of those won't be possible if not because of the software that the Watch Fit 2 has. Now, we have the new chessboard UI, which for me doesn't just look cool, but also serves so much when it comes to functionality, as you can access all the apps that you need faster as compared to a listed form. Now when it comes to watch faces, there are 200 plus watch faces available for free, which can definitely fit your personality and style. Not only that, but these smartwatch faces has their own set of functionality, which is also customizable to suit your needs. Now, lastly, the Fit 2 also does have a self-disciplined workout routine called Healthy Living Shamrock, which can be accessible through the Huawei Health app. With this enabled, users can regularly receive notifications to achieve your health goals, daily water intake, medication reminders, daily mindfulness, early sleep reminders, which I'm sure most of us do need, and also to keep you staying positive in life. Honestly, if you are new to the smartwatch game and you want to familiarize yourself to this kind of devices, or for our lolos and lalas, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 is the best way to go. Not only that it is very affordable, but it also does pack advanced technology features for us to keep going and be healthy. Now, if you are looking for a smartwatch that has the traditional design and yet offers advanced and modern technology, the Huawei GT3 Pro is the way to go. The GT3 Pro offers a 1.43-inch circular AMOLED color display that has a resolution of 466 by 466. It does support vivid and sharp display, and what's more cool about it is that the display is protected by a sapphire glass with a titanium metal case and ceramic back case. While we all have those fancy and durable materials, the overall watch is actually 0.5mm thin as compared to last year's Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. The unit we have is the 46mm titanium edition, which comes in gunmetal-like finish with a mix of gray and brown genuine leather strap, which in my opinion looks very formal and very manly. If you find the 46mm a little bit on the bigger side, there's also a 43mm version, which is the ceramic edition. This edition edition still does have the sapphire glass protection for the display and ceramic material all over its body. And the good thing about it is that it does offer the same feature and functionality as its bigger sibling. The Huawei Watch GT3 Pro comes with an IP68 and 580M rating. What this means is that you can take it on a dive for up to as deep as 30 meters. It comes with 100 plus workout modes, and one of which is recording diving data such as diving duration and depth record. Aside from that, you also get a new ECG feature that combines electro technology with a button. With this technology, you can easily track your ECG data anytime, anywhere. The GT3 Pro sets a new benchmark when it comes to wearables. It's no longer just a tool for monitoring your health and physical state, but also a good addition to Huawei's growing ecosystem to maximize the user's productivity and improve well-being. The Huawei Watch GT3 Pro also packs true Scene 5.0 technology for a much more accurate data processing as well as heart monitoring. Healthy Living Shamrock is also available through the Huawei Health app for a much more disciplined lifestyle. And there's also Bluetooth calling. Now, when it comes to the battery, the titanium edition can last up to a whopping 14 days of battery life, whereas the ceramic version can stretch up to 8 days of usage. Not bad at all, considering that most smartwatches in the market can even last for up to 2 days of use. What's more cooler about this is that it only takes you 10 minutes to charge for a full day of usage. Now, if you have a very active lifestyle, either be a gym nazi or everyday runner, and you are looking for a smartwatch that will fit your active lifestyle, the Huawei GT Runner is the perfect device for you. It's got a very stylish design celebrating aerodynamics in every aspect, as it does sport an air intake grille design inspired of supercars to develop a stylish and tough aesthetics. The strap that is included in the box feels light and soft, and it is made out of a high quality rubber for an extended durability. Wearing it for long periods of time will not cause any arm strains and whatnot, as it does feel very light even if it does have a little big form factor. The GT3 Runner sports almost every feature of the before mentioned GT3 Pro with a little more to it. It does have a scientific training suggestions, a feature which provides scientific and professional notification on a fatigue level. Runners can easily understand their fatigue level using the other ring on the watch face. And this meter is based on historical running data, body data, and time required to recover without training. How cool! It does have an improved location monitoring system, same thing on what we have on the Fit 2 for a more accurate location tracking data, which is helpful to keep track of your pace, running time, elevation, and much more. The GT3 Runner also comes equipped with an altitude barometer, which can provide warnings before a severe weather comes in by observing sharp changes in air pressure. It also does support Huawei's True Scene 5.0 technology for a more accurate body readings, and yes, it does come with a super long 14-day battery life, just like its much more premium sibling, the GT3 Pro. All of these brand new smartwatches operates using Harmony OS, and yes, it is compatible with multiple platforms such as Harmony OS, iOS, and Android. Now, pairing these devices are very easy. Just download the Huawei Health app on the App Store or Google Play Store, and once installed, create a Huawei ID so you have a backup of all of your data securely, as well as synchronization with all of your other devices. Once done, go onto devices and make sure you have your Huawei watch turned on and ready to pair, as well as your phone's Bluetooth. From here, you will see Add Device. You can either pair them manually, but for the sake of this video, we will pair them by scanning the QR code on the watch. And voila! You can now access all the features your watch has. Change watch faces to suit your preference, as well as view your daily data. Now the question is, which of these smartwatches are for you? For starters, if you want to familiarize yourself having smartwatch and new to this trend, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 suits you best. It does have a decent form factor, not too huge or small for most wrists, and packed with technology that you need. And it is definitely affordable. At a price tag of 6,499 pesos, you can never really go wrong with the Huawei Watch Fit 2. Now, if you are leaning towards a professional side and you want a little more jazz from time to time and replace your traditional analog watch, the Huawei Watch GT3 Pro is the way to go. It doesn't eliminate that very classic watch styling and yet offers you superb features like ECG and other health-related informations at a glance, very long battery life. Even so, it is still affordable at 16,999 pesos. Now lastly, if you have a very active lifestyle, the GT Runner is the best fit for you. Not only does it have a very ergonomic design, it does have features that professional runners need in their day-to-day workout. And yes, the price. At only 13,999 pesos, you will have not only a smartwatch, but a small piece of equipment that will guide you throughout your workout, run, and much more. And there you have it, guys. What do you guys think about these smartwatches? Which one suits you best? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Arel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.